welcome. Today we are continuing with English paper 3, the optional text, and we are looking at the Parliament of Owls. Question 3C, misuse of power is a common phenomenon in most African countries. Validate this statement basing your arguments on the play Parliament of Owls. Introduction. Political office in a country comes with duties and responsibilities. Holders of such offices are expected to observe a high degree of integrity as they serve in those offices. It is also vital for the office holder to perform their duties as dictated by their position without prejudice, bias, malice, or other unwanted behavior. However, it has been seen that some office holders tend to use the privilege of being in such positions to advance their agenda and for self-gain. One, Moneybags uses the advantage of being the right-hand owl of the royal owl to enrich himself. He is in charge of sponsoring all the bills forwarded by royal owl. He is critical in decision-making in the government of the royal owl. Because of this privileged position, Moneybags grabs every tree that will benefit him. For instance, he grabbed the sacred tree from the crows and displaced 10 families of crows. Then he converted it into a secret tower of surveillance controlled by one-eyed and Moneybags' son. 2. In addition, he uses his position to force all bills to be passed in Parliament so that he finds favor in the eyes of royal owl and thereby being rewarded handsomely. With the support and order of Moneybags, Red String, Black String and other puppet owls use their position to kill Arumtindi. Arum, a crowned hornbill, has worked as chief propagandist for the royal owl. He has a lot of information about the shady deal and understands deal of royal owls. This means Moneybags and other puppet owls fear his continued presence as he can spill the beans to the other birds. They kill him in order to silence him. They took him to the Waterstone Point at the river and ensured he was dead. 3. Members of Parliament use their position in Parliament to increase their compensation and salary. Other birds are on the verge of dying because of hunger, which has been brought about by the plunder of resources in the kingdom. Feathered Beak says that owls have been fighting over food for several nights. The bill enables them to have more fried rats, baked mice, and honey and mayonnaise, while birds starve. 4. Moneybags and other royal owls take advantage of being in power to eliminate any bird perceived to be an enemy of the kingdom. Oyudi has been cunning and a brave critic of the royal owl's government. She at one time sought the services of Ochungulo to chase away snakes that had been brought to eat eggs in the nests of birds. This does not go down well with Moneybags and his puppet owls. They attempt to get to her and kill her. She escapes their dragget and they massacred 30 weavers, members of Osongo's family. Conclusion: taking advantage of one's position in power for self-interest and gain is the misuse of office and should be discouraged. Most birds undergo a lot of suffering due to the misuse of power by Royal Owl and his cronies. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below. Also let me know what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.